But hey, go talk a little bit about maintaining your small engines. I got a number of them, a couple chainsaws, lawnmower, snowblower. Small engines can give you fits if you don't take care of it, mostly due to gas. Took me a while to figure this out, but anymore I buy the highest rated octane gas I can get. This is 92 octane, and I put some marine STA-BIL in it. This helps preserve the gas, prevents ethanol damage, increase power, maximize your fuel economy, clean the fuel system. That's what will give you a lot of issues on these small engines. Stabilizes the fuel up to 12 months. So half ounce here will treat 5 gallons, so I'm just going to dump that in there. Put the lid back on it and shake it up a little bit. Fuel my lawnmower up, and I got some grass to mow. There you go. Starts like a charm every time.